Business Forum isinagawa sa Cebu City. Karagdagang power plants isinusulong para sa matatag na supply ng kuryente sa rehiyon. Si Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu sa detalye.
To the Freeman's events and
Nagpulong-pulong ang mga industry leaders, mga kinatawan ng electric utility companies, mga negosyante, mga kinatawan ng National Grid Corporation of the Philippines at ng Department of Energy para sa isang business forum na nakasentro sa mga isyu tungkol sa power supply sa lalawigan ng Cebu at maging sa Visayas region.
This forum enables us to tackle an essential aspect of Cebu's progress among industry stakeholders. That based on Department of Energy estimates, peak demand in Cebu is projected to double by 2032 compared to present. Fact is, we are really racing against time to support and sustain Cebu's impressive economic performance.
Tinalakay din sa forum ang pagtutulak ng Department of Energy ng karagdagang power plant sa Central Visayas na kinilalang fastest growing economy sa buong bansa noong 2023. Ayon sa Energy Department, nangangailangan ng karagdagang 600 megawatts ang Visayas grid para maiwasan ang mga power outage.
Sa ngayon, at this time, you don't have any problem with transmission nor supply.
No problem.
No? There's no problem. Within the next 2 years, you don't have any problem. However, if we want to have a reliable, sufficiently produced independently, and that's what we emphasizing here, independently for the Visayas, then we have to come up with new generation facility projects.
Nabigyan rin ng pagkakataong makapagtanong ang mga nasa business sector at nabigyang linaw sa mga issue tungkol sa power supply.
We're happy that events like this, we can talk about, we can discuss about power. We're very concerned. I think it's everybody's concern also that reliable power, stable power, affordable power, and competitive power cost is what is very important for industry, for businesses.
Dumalo din sa forum si Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia na binigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng power supply na siyang susi din sa paglago ng ekonomiya. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.